enti ye hwe ni say delay sabre no no can say mama Kweku Donkor abodam. It wasn't right. She didn't act professionally. She did not act professionally. That is now how things are done. In Tuba be cancel nipa na abodam or then and no kan why also abodam. Ho no. Enti that time no mama Kweku Donkor had every right to sue delay. Say ogun enimu aseka say to abodam. A defamation. A defamation pa. Enti that time no mama Kweku Donkor no betumi sue because a defamation issue. And defamation ekasem say me defame wo Evans otu wo ho a obia ni ho a say Juliana Boa ese ni nua no na me ma defame say be wo ye kronfo a Juliana intimi ma mesiu inti sana komo no etie. And for now the family can never sue delay obia no obetumi sue delay amana ye na no me bi wo ho de a aye wo mo ene omunya nkopon asem say abusiafo ne ka say omra no me pa chewo no o ba be pa ho achewo so onipa na so aye ne bono no o pa chewo a ma me no afi.
Mema Obia Kwaba and Black this novel platform is Ebusia. I have got the update in summer Ebusia a tribute social media so and I said in the both them coffee bar now Umudia trending and at the airport. It was a fun send me as so appropriate on this social media for an opinion to me ever cancer. Yanka said to the messlaw now welcome my to me and born and could him. Ever in 70 entry and boy bar and the could be a solution for me. I can overlap over share. Na Obofour so inside mechanism some will be me after any na wo hwem so wa subscribe na wasan so aheti the beneficiation icon e dey come said ya inside the bible so for be na ahwe na onya bi etmati yan kom ba ba so
I want to share this with you. That is my opinion on interviewer delay the late mama Kweku Donkor ye nyame fa mama Kweku Donkor kra nsi yie nyame na amfa ne nto ne kukum na eka che busua nyina se ye ma omo hyedin na ye ma mama Kweku Donkor nso ye akọ ye kan interview kra in simple terms e dey na ye patch say ade bi a opo pa hu ade a ope mu nchiri mu bibi a ope so te ase na ope sem bisa ayensem bisa ayensem a wo bisa ne enkrofo epe so wo bisa ne enkrofo aka ope mu nchiri mu ne wankasa wate a wonyi ni eno nti in the media space, you are taught to doubt all issues, and by way of doubting, it will give you that push to investigate or move ahead to find out. And when you are studying journalism, they always tell you to doubt all issues. Into so that it gives you that edge to push forward your investigation mechanisms, and then you find out. Investigation here and I say interview here, and yeah, interview. We don't bully. We don't bully people to get information. What the answer bisa na some. We are no, and there be. Baby, all facts. Say, as some of bisa no ya. Say na no na so wonyam. What there be? Sir. And so say about what adoring I say. Now we are adoring. So issues like that, you have facts. And I know maybe I say anything to there be. So there be more information, then you pull out your evidence to show. You can't pronounce it or no interview, or say there be poor, then leave it to your listeners to judge. Because you don't have the power to arrest. As media people, we don't have power to arrest. Akosia Yeboah, one of my girls. Eno Adoma, one of my girls. Jennifer Amankwa, one of my girls. Jason, one of my Jason Yoba, one of my girls, okay. And Natina and Cransa, okay. And Afi was born brings. Omo nyina hwɛ me. But I no share video no dia ma me. Enti say oh yeah interview I don't bully. Ɛyɛ asɛm na wopɛ sɛ obisa. Ɛyɛ mfa gidigidi nyɛ. Enti delay ɛne mame akra don call the late me in common on mudi na interviews. Me hwɛ ne ma me no. Me hwɛ the aspect of say I me hwɛ the aspect of professionalism. Na ma hwɛ defamation. Na ɛwɔ saa asɛm. Enti wotie nkɔmmɔ na sɛ ne course na. Okay, sorry. Enti yɛ to aso. Share video no ɛfa ɛma me. Enti wohwɛ mame akra don call ne delay interview na. Ɔka sɛ na nkurɔfoɔ sɛ wabɔdam ɛna wopɛ president yɛ bi na ɔsɛ bɛma ɔdam. And delay went ahead to emphasize what she wanted to find out. Say, Obua, and ask wabɔdam. Enti ɔno no ɛgye to ne ho so kyerɛ sɛ asɛm a mame akra don call kaeɛ no ɛnyɛ nokorɛ. Na ɔno no ɛsusu sɛ wabɔdam anaasɛ ɔno kaa sɛ wabɔdam. So the bone of contention lies on wabɔdam na ɔsɛ me mmɔdam. And wokura mpo a wɔde wo ho no wo onipa bi a ɔde ne ho asa a wobɛtumi kɔ agyina so aka sɛ obi mpo abɔdam no yɛ nneɛma bi a ɛyɛ obvious sɛ wobɛhu sɛ onipa no ɔnam adagya anaasɛ ɔnam no ne ho ayɛ fie a nneɛma a ɛhyɛ no no kyerɛ sɛ ɔsɛ obi a wabɔdam ɛno no kora na wotumi nya ho akukuduro tumi ka sɛ mehyia no no na wabɔ dagya ɛna ɔdi mmirika nam ntiɛ me sɛ wate ntoma wabɔdam yɛka sɛ obi ate ntoma a kyɛ sɛ n'adwene no ho aka ɛno nti ɔnam adagya obiara ne hɔ a sɛbe n'ani wɔ ne ho so a ɔbɛbɔ dagya ɔyɛ ɔbaa anaa ɔbɛrima a wabɔ dagya nam nti sɛ nipa no hu no a wotumi hu no clearly ɛsɛ ayɛ ampa sɛ wabɔ dam. Apart from that me ne yɛ bi ɛbɛtumi aka kyerɛ sɛ ne yɛ no koraa kyerɛ sɛ wabɔ dam baa ne yɛ no na wɔka de afine but ɛno koraa mpo no what is the metric a wogyina so a wɔka so abɔ dam nhwehwɛmu bɛyɛ na wayɛ doctor's report bɛyɛ na wokura a wɔka so obi abɔ dam. Enti on the score of say delay at that time no catch my mere Donkor say about dam no it wasn't right. Initially she wanted to find out say when call for say about dam no be as say about dam na we be president edino. And also me more dam but also about dam I guess say we sisu dia she stamped it say ampa about dam and delay has no right to declare somebody so about them in a interview. No, you can ask. And in the first place, she asked, say, and confess so about them. And also me more them. So I'm a quite don't go. And who so about them? And then put our back cancel about them. What to say as my mere don't go what him to happen. Or boy the jar carbon thing. And I need the impu. When you're the doctor's report to be a chair say, now Jim Markan, I'll be also about them. Ain't he? Only son money in an interview, you can't say so be about them. No. Open to maybe son and say, are they our ye the are they one doing your jumana? I don't know. When we send here, it will be very harsh because in interview, you should also ask questions here. Be very polite. The question should be decorum. And Tinyase or attacking the panel. There are some instances in power, you can attack. When you prove out an evidence or an evidence, not say, or you want to and maybe I will be pushy say you have evidence, but no can by force. Also, evidence, no, say, what evidence now, what about them in power? And then I'll be, ain't he, and no, I was who say, and yem a giddy interview. Koba, I think people make issues out of nothing. This one is here. Indeed, yes, we are there. Assembly anywhere a trim. I don't know what you say. Assembly anywhere a trim. And yet is here and the answer. So, your first think I trim one. enkanya afei na beba asem biye no a etwam enti eyadesua na yesua eno na also bia eti ase na ba bia ye kan say ohwe okwan afa so ana oye interview ka so abodam wo mod dam ne ho ahwa eho na issue ni wo ye de sua de ehun say obiye ni ho a oye journalist ya what the right what the power to declare somebody say abodam say ukọ accident scene ebona sabe obiye wu mpa o ka say misusu say no nipa ne da ho na emoje etu ne die anhwe yi a ontimi sori biu eno no because say you are not a doctor ontimi insisu bia obetimi o ka say wawu na o kire bi ye call hospital na bia the person was in coma no sorry a na afi na ba we pa chawa na ase de enti ye hwe ni say delay sabre no no ka say ma me akura don kwa abodam no it wasn't right. She didn't act professionally. She did not act professionally. That is now how things are done. In Tuba, the council nipa na bodama or then and what can why also abodam. A whole no. 80 that time no. Mami Donkor had every right to sue delay. Say ogun anyone as a cousin to abodam. A defamation. A defamation pa. Inti that time no Mami Donkor no bet me sue because a defamation issue. And defamation, I can't say me defame wo Evans otu a wo ho a obia ni ho a say Juliana Boa ese ne nua no na me ma defame say be wo ye kronfo a Juliana ntimi ma me sue no. Enti a third person cannot sue somebody who has accused a first person say wo ye anaso wo defame no aha enti abusuafo ne mma na omoka say they are going to sue delay no they have no right and no they don't have a case a defamation and defamation issue no and you will be a osusu say his reputation has been dented or no pay and a bit to sue if you have any support there no one say be a you finance the person you support the person financially to go to court but as individual as a son as a daughter as a wife as a husband you cannot sue on behalf of your mother your father your husband your wife because somebody has defamed him or her inti abusuafo no komo na omudi ni nyina no it will not wash when it comes to law it will never wash say yebeka say me na me maame ne maame akura donko na biribi delay catch ne maame so abodam until they are going to sue delay no when the woman was even alive no nobody could have even sued on behalf of maame akura donko per the law yemra no sa na tie da bi emra won ye nche yadwen da bi emra won ye nche yadwen di sa na emra na kire say in every defamation issue bia no a third person cannot act on behalf of the person defamed. No, it is only the person who has been defamed. And obesusu say, per what you have told me, a chest of Gwenima, so catch them me about damnful. And that when everybody sees me, from the time you pronounce mad on me, no, everybody sees me and runs away. Me ma, I was school. For the teasy say, oh, mammy, our bottom. Majuma mun confirm a bio, and if you are able to prove all this with you prove it with all reasonable doubt in court, then a whole answer na court be say okay damage you also open you bet me the amount in the defamation cases kwan in fact court keke and yes tell me that's Abraham Macro so you have to prove it to the court the extent of the damage I also say about when the person pronounced that statement on you how would you say I defame I bring it down your reputation and then you have to explain to the court and no other person can sue on behalf of the person defamed and no ade da ho yenye ho achi ayemra ene de adwuma aha enti abusuafo no de omoka na yekwa sue delay no wan no it will never wash I am not saying say the delay here no for me the delay here okay I say maame no ayo bodam for abodam no it wasn't right. She goofed. She acted unprofessionally because untumi nkanchire will be say wabodam evidence be now the show HSA wabodam. That is what I'm trying to explain and to share my opinion on this. Esther Boachiwa, one of my girls, Joyce Siama, one of my girls, Catherine Sapo, one of my girls, G, also an Japan Charity, one of my girls, Ewula Na Dromo, one of my girls, Evelyn, one of my girls, Agi, one of my girls, Juliana, one of my girls, Evan Sotu, also, and Koba, also, Cynthia, Oyina, one of my girls, Akwesi Ajiman, also, Gifty Baby, one of my girls, Charles, also, Rama Akoma Ba, one of my girls, Priya Kwachua Dampare, one of my girls, Jennifer Amankwa, one of my girls, Enu Adoma, one of my girls, Akosia Chia Yamua, one of my girls, and Haga Ado, one of my girls, Natina, one of my girls was born, Haga Mabodi, and Afi, Adofour Mosina, Maria Sibi, one of my girls, Benjamin Sam, Esther Boajoa, one of my girls, and also my mother, my name Esther. Ain't he? Son and community, ain't he? For me, Delay didn't act well. She acted unprofessionally at that time, telling the woman so about them. That is not how interviews are conducted. No. And Anya Shekrano. Onipano interviews are for our shows. Yeah, to gain listeners, and then the other part in Poland so to gain fame or otherwise. You will have an interviewer on a proper because the person doesn't stand to gain anything from your interview. I don't know on PBBI, you do also because the BBI will interview also friend one. Anya Shekran or being the other good side of the interview. Ain't fair will be interview, Mama Bulino. You only ask questions and then we leave it like that for listeners to judge because you need to me and they are arrested. So the public court of opinion, I'm on a budget. Now the public court of opinion are talking so much about this interview. I hear the data. But the demise of Donkor and as I resonate. That is what we are talking about, and we are trying to share our little opinion or knowledge on this issue. Enti, me Mrs. say, and I mean, him say, Mremuno, Abusuafo no can never sue. No, and no kwade, enim baby ya. But say I'm pa. I said to Donkor say, delay. Say was so about damn no so more damn na. I know there. Emre ne nkra be na be kire. I don't know there. Obi ntumi ka say e be adwuma na ase nya adwuma. But ye nyina so gidi say ano edi ntini di makoi Nyankopon e de nhyira no nome ama yen. Ye ka nhyira asem e bam. Ye ka nome asem so e bam. Ebra obi ka nome asem so no. Na honhom bi nso e gye saa nome no enso e fa ono so e de bitimi di aye adwuma. Eno nti eno de it is up to delay say e bi ano ma me ne ti ase kra no. Na wapa ne chewo kokuo okun se no ye no. Enye no wapa ne chewo. Wo hu so no ye no nye. E no da so kura mu say ya. Eno no yet the ability can say she acted unprofessionally during that very interview for her to have told Mami Donkor at that time so about them. It is not right. For that one, we can boldly say. But I say, also a domain ebenyano, and I say yano. For all we know, if you know Mami Donkor crown later, Omunya Casa Ama, say no me be by impa or the Nanuas are done and a juma, so be to me and what are done when I do. In the Sana common, excellent. And before now, the family can never sue delay. Obi no obi to sue delay. Amana ye. Na no me bi ho de a aye wo mo ene omunya nkopon asem. Say abusuafo ne ka say omra no me pa che no. O ba be pa ho ache. So onipa na so aye ne bono no. O pa che wa ma me no afi. Enti enya busua na odi wo matem. Say atem di a odi ma me no kwa don patem. Ono so na afi. Enti this is how the whole issue stands now, and per my understanding, no sana mimi hunu, any my knowledge in journalism and defamation kakra issue with school, sana and also bit me aka ho asem. enti me demo nyina ase
Konkonsa we na papia on the media so yebusua yakopie na yakotie nsɛm bi abai bibia na ɔgye brɛ ɛkɔbɔ yɛni akɔkoma ɛkɔgye mu ɛnkyerɛmu ɛba yɛ mɛslow na wobɛlake wobɛhyɛ na ɛyɛ mbunu bi so anasa foforɔ so ɛnsanka bi na wɔntumi ɛnyɛ bi ɛnhwɛ ɛne a na wohwɛ so a mɛslow na wasubscribe obi asan so hit the notification icon anasa press the bell icon ka mo sɛdeɛ nsɛm bi ba abusuafo nsa betumi aka bi ɛwɔ this novel platform so ayɛ gossip update mɛsan so hyia bi with a latest konkonsa a ɛtrɛne ɛwɔ media so makara